Let's look at how to pre-fill a Google form. Google Forms is a great tool for surveys, quizzes, or simple data collection. You can even use it to share pre-filled forms with others. Step 1. Open the form you want to pre-fill. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots on the top right to access the form menu. Step 3. Select Get Pre-Filled link. Step 4. Type in the default values in the right fields. Step 5. Click the Get Link button on the bottom of the form. Step 6. Click Copy link from the notification pop-up. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips, or visit workspacetips.io.